There are certain rhododendrons which at the end of the flowering season you can risk cutting down and knowing that they will shoot again. And I'm standing in front of a large and very ancient clump of Rhododendron Cornish Red. If you look up at the top you can see that there are a few flowers showing colour, but basically it's finished flowering and the new growth is only just thinking about coming. Now, Cornish Red can be a bit of a thug, and over the years its thuggery has encroached onto a rather nice deciduous azalea, was pushing into a Magnolia lobneri wildcat, and even more importantly starting to push into this extremely lovely Acer palmatum with this gorgeous yellow leaves. And I think you could probably have cut this rhododendron back at any time of the year, but obviously you're going to lose the flowers for a year or two now. And we've been really quite ruthless. In some rhododendrons which weren't as common or thuggish, you wouldn't dare start to cut the stems, and we can see here that this is dripping sap. You can see the sap actually leaking out on the branches over there and dropping to the ground. You'd expect the sap to be rising at this time of the year, and not all rhododendrons will stick such treatment. But Cornish Red, which is a 150, maybe even 200-year-old rhododendron hybrid, it's tough as old boots. And if you look into the clump, you can see that it's had a pretty strenuous haircut more than once in the past, but its thuggery had got on top of it, and now that'll green up and shoot away nicely. Along the side of the drive, all we've done is we probably more or less trim this every year, and by the end of the summer you wouldn't know that it had ever been trimmed. So on the other side of this clump of Rhododendron Cornish Red, you can see work in progress, and you can see this wonderful Rhododendron ovatum, which has yet to come into flower but has now got its lovely reddish new growth appearing. You can see how the Cornish Red has actually killed off part of this clump, and it's been forcing the clump further and further away and making it smaller and smaller. And in behind that again we've got a lovely little Magnolia Genie, which is also being encroached by the Cornish Red. So you can see the thuggery at work. You can see what happens if you don't get round to doing something, and it's a job that is best done immediately after flowering, say late April, early May.